Hello, Deb Tomaro, Realtor here, and we are at 1822 Ezekiel Drive. You write it enough, you figure out how to spell it. There are no A's in Ezekiel. I have to remind myself it's E's and I's. Anyways, this is I would call it a townhome, 2 stories over a full basement slash garage. I'll kind of show you that area. Most people don't like me showing their basements, but I'm gonna fight for you this time and show it to you because it's a unique area, but it's a great space. 4 or 5 years old, everything is new, updated finishes, really lovely. This is back in Summit Woods over by Woolery Mill. Walk to the trail, the Clear Creek trailhead. The farmer's market is just around the corner over there, the Woolery Mill one. You can see that there is street parking here, but you will see at the end of the video that there's a lot of parking in back as well in terms of the garage, a double wide driveway. So it's got good space. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. Come on inside and take a look. Okay, here we are in the main living space of 1822 Ezekiel. So front door we came in, nice side lights, good light. What's nice about these units, they are paired, so there's only 2, so everybody's got an end unit. So you have great light because you've got windows here as well as windows in the front. And this is like a vinyl laminate floor. I also love these units because there's some nice touches, like there's this little shelf here. So little things like that, some can lights up here. Ceiling fans throughout. I think all the bedrooms have ceiling fans. This is how this person set it up, and I like how they have it set up. There is a counter with a couple of bar stools. Some people will put the couch under this window. You can look at other listings or ask your realtor to send you old listings to kind of see other ways people have set it up. A lot of people put TV here, but I think this is a nice setup too. And then it comes around to a half bath right here. There are 2 full baths upstairs, so just a little half bath. And then the kitchen space. These also have, I digress for a minute, but these really nice thick blinds throughout. So here's the kitchen space. Do you have a baker's rack? Who's your cabinet? That could go there. Stainless steel appliances. The granite countertops, a really cool, pretty tile. Again, all of this is just like 4 or 5 years old. There are can lights in here as well. And then your view out the back, which is really the best thing about this unit, because you just back up to trees everywhere you look. I will take you out here real quick and show you the balcony. So they do a nice job with these units of staggering them, so you've got some privacy over here. And again, and then you can see, close the door behind you, the driveway, and then there's a garage door below that as well. Okay, continuing on, this is laundry, and this is a pantry. Nice and deep, so pantry, shelving, and vacuum cleaner. And then this door goes down to the basement. We're gonna go down there in a second. That was very ominous and like a horror movie. Hang tight, we're gonna run upstairs. Let me give you one last view. Such a pretty kitchen. Did you hear that? I agree, Kat. So here we are at the top of the stairs. There's a linen closet, and then there are 3 bedrooms. This is the primary bedroom. I love that these all have these vaulted ceilings, and I love that you can like lay in bed and just look out at the trees. That's kind of cool. Closet, and then this has an ensuite with the bathtub. There's a toilet. People always look at these homes and they just sort of glance at the bathroom and then they go, why is there no toilet? It's because it's hiding behind the door. No one wants to see that anyways. Middle bedroom, super cute, tall ceilings again. And the 3rd bedroom, bright and sunny. Tall ceilings, ceiling fans, double closet in here. And then there's another full bath that has a stand-up shower in here. And again, these thick blinds, really, really nice quality blinds. All right, let's go check out the basement. So just came down the stairs. There is one room down here. We kind of call it the safe room, but I've seen it used for offices, like finished and used for office space. I have actually sold a unit in this neighborhood where there was a bar set up. This room's like not huge, like 5x8, no, 6x8. But they had a bar set up and then a TV back there and you could just sit at the bar. It was very cool. This whole setup here is a sump pump. This basement lower level is plumbed if you wanted to add a bathroom. And this is what you would use to pump the water, sewage. I hate to say that word, but sewage. Then this is the rest of the space. Poured concrete walls, garage door, so you can use it as garage space. There's your furnace and your water heater. Again, all of that is like 4 or 5 years old. And there's storage under the stairs. Let me paint a picture of what a lot of people do, because you can see there's a lot of room left here at the end. I'll show you that door and then I'll show it to you from the outside. So what a lot of people do is they put a wall right here where this header is, because you can still get a mid-sized car in this space. They put a wall here, and then over here they build out, you see those in the floor? That's where the plumbing is if you wanted to add like a half bath down here. So they build out a little half bath, and then they have this really cool, I sold a unit in here years ago, probably 12 years ago, I don't even know, that had finished off this basement. It was a really cool media room because there was no windows. So they had a projector that projected against this wall over here, coming down, and just like an L-shaped couch, and it was just super cozy and cool. So there is some potential if you wanted one more living space, but also if you need storage, this is a great option too. And then I'm gonna take you outside so you can see it from the outside. Just wanted to show you the back side of the unit. So this is driveway is definitely 2 cars wide with a 1-car garage, and then you've got a service entrance as well. So you've got good off-street parking. There's on-street parking in front as well. There's your balcony. And then here's the view. So just trees. Very, very nice view. I'm gonna go over the top of my car. So you were in the back of the neighborhood.